Okay, being present here and to get the most from your own consciousness, the supreme force within. What's required for this meditation is that you take any comfortable position that you like, but thereafter do not move your bodies. Keep them still. There's no rules that you to keep your spine straight or not to take the back rest. But what's important is that you must sit. You should not lie down. But the position has to be unmoved thereafter. So begin with your own connection to your soul and all the Supreme Masters. We'll first chant a mantra called Om Namo Gurudev Namo. So close your eyes, fold your hands, take deep breath. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Gurudev Namo. Allow your hands to come back to any position that you like. Adjust your body. And put yourself in a state that you remain unmoved and still as much as possible to get the most from your own pure consciousness within. Let your body be still. And on, keep your eyes closed and pray to your own Holy Spirit within. That now I close my eyes and as my upper lid rests upon the lower lid, you open my inner vision, my Ajna Chakra, my third eye. I surrender to you. Speak to yourself within. And commit to yourself to keep your eyes closed, gently relaxing. Focus your breath for a while and do not put any effort to change your breathing. Just focus on the breath and notice. Do you breathe in and breathe out? And now focus your awareness inside your body. At what way is the life inside you, the prana inside you, the Shakti inside you has manifested from the supreme and pure consciousness Shiva. And that life force within you is in fact making the internal muscular movements, and breathing is happening because pranas are present inside. Begin to realize that you are a living Shakti who have bought some time from the Supreme Consciousness with the number of breaths to your credit to live this life with the desire to merge back in that wholeness where from you have come in. Whatever inside you is now aware of is the living consciousness that is observing this breath and is aware of the prana and the life force with. Now in between your eyebrows, as you shift your focus and awareness there without putting any strain on your eyes, shift your focus on your forehead and between the eyebrows, and from there focus inside your mouth, loosen your jaw and focus on your chin. Your chin represents the moon energy. And notice the way you're breathing in and out at the same time. Now in your mind's eye, begin to see a full moon in the backdrop of sky. And today's Purnima is called Gaur Purnima. Gaur means golden Purnima. There are many enlightened beings who on this Purnima received the golden light of the pure consciousness to enlighten the world. Focus on this moonlight. And on this Purnima, how the Krishna dances. The love-maddening dance with the Radha and the gopis, with the fury of colors infusing in the consciousness. Whichever way this thought brings inside your head the experience, see the dance of Krishna, the center of attraction, of love, joy, ecstasy. and the love of Radha dissolving its boundaries, losing herself to dissolve and merge in the consciousness of Krishna. As the life force inside you merges into the pure consciousness, your breath is like Radha. And the Master, the Swami, is that Supreme Soul within. Every single breath that is now going on is the dance of the Radhas and the Gopis in love with Krishna. And your breath indicates the love that the soul has for you, and the love that breath has for your soul. Understand the life inside you as a love of Supreme. How this Supreme Force has manifested as the life inside you with that love and compassion to bring in your awareness and as you experience the life force and the breath, understand my love and my existence. And I exist everywhere. Begin to realize the Krishna Ananda. And the devotion that you have for the Supreme Soul, the Krishna Ananda. And so much of power given to you to enjoy everything in the world is the Ras Ananda. And so much power and capability is given to you to serve yourself and everyone is the Seva Ananda. And so much you can love yourself and others is the Prema Ananda. And the Supreme Force present within you, when you realize, is the Atma Ananda. And this is available to you every single moment, every single day is the Nitya Ananda. And when you realize all this happening in your own Chitta is called Sat Chit Ananda. And when you understand this as the Logos of the Supreme is called Sat Nam Ananda. Holding your body still recite in your with the inner voice, Krishna Ananda, Krishna Ananda, Krishna Ananda. Continue reciting. And now change into Bhakti Ananda, Bhakti Ananda, Bhakti Ananda. Now change this inner voice into Ras Ananda, Ras Ananda. And now change the inner voice into Seva Ananda, Seva Ananda. Now change the inner voice into Prema Ananda, Prema Ananda. Now with the focus on the awareness inside you, all this Ananda is coming from Atma Ananda, Atma Ananda. Now change the inner voice to Nitya Ananda, Nitya Ananda. And with all the Anandas, the Krishna, the Bhakti, the Rasa, the Seva, Prema, Atma, and Nityananda, focus on the bliss and the Ananda inside. The Sat Nam Ananda. And continue reciting in your consciousness, Sat Nam Ananda. And allow a prayer from inside you to unfold. Let I be blessed and ruled by purity, and not the moods and the emotions. In which the pure consciousness communes with me and reveals the secrets of mystery. In which all that is heavy and burdensome wards off and lightens my sleepy weight. And all that is burdensome lightens, enlightens and impart the serene and the blessed actions. Let I feel adored with warm, gentle affections of great supreme existence within me, until the breath of this earthly journey transcends me into the fullness, like the full moon. And as long as my heart beats, the blood moves in my veins. The motion and the movement, velocity and speed of this blood rushing in my veins is the presence of that Almighty, into which I am ever ready to merge. And every single breath is an opportunity for me in this lifetime, in my awareness, to experience the bliss of being one with the Supreme Consciousness. And with the last breath, I just merge. Let my all actions be liberating with that Dharma, providing me all the necessary means and the knowledge through my karma. And leads me to moksha. Let I live with the innermost peace, be the sound of your voice all the time, making experience the deepermost quietude and fullness of happiness. And with your awareness, aware of the soul that thinks nothing lacks, and you always feel complete. With the stillness in your body and the breath moving, as you see the full moon inside your head. Let go and let your soul decide. Your every action indeed. Focus on every single cell inside your body and hear the voice inside your head. Sab Gobind hai. Sab Gobind hai. Sab Gobind hai. Everywhere is that sustainer sustaining every single thing in the whole Brahmand, in the whole universe. and begin to sing inside your head. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Hear your own voice inside your head. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. And now begin to whisper with me. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Sab. And now begin to speak with me. Sab Gobind hai,
Sab Gobind hai,
Sab Gobind hai,
Sab Gobind hai,
Sab Gobind hai.
Sab Gobind hai.
Now begin to chant with me. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai. Gobind bin nahi koi. Sab Gobind hai, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, 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 सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई, सब गोविंद है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई. Keep your eyes closed and be silent and sense the energy. Keep your body still. Just focus on the energy. And see the dance of Radha and Krishna, the breath and the soul, and the love as the bonding. and every being merging, dissolving the boundaries with this love into the Krishna. The smile of soul, the smile of spirit is Krishna. The bliss is Krishna. The love is Krishna. Ecstasy is Krishna. Anandam is Krishna. The happiness is Krishna. Compassion is Krishna. Dissolve yourself in the love of Krishna. Become consciousness, become aware of this awareness inside. With the awareness of this awareness inside, all that need to be dropped, get dropped. All that need to be forgiven, get forgiven. All that need to be dissolved, get dissolved. All that need to be solved, get solved. All that need to be taken care is taken care. All that need to be healed is healed. All that need to be uplifted is uplifted. And when everything happens and just brings ananda, is that prosperity. Is that love you are? Is that prosper being that you are? Let all that need to be dropped be dropped. Let all that need to be uplifted be uplifted. Let all that need to be loved is loved. Let all that taken care to be taken care. Let all that need to be dissolved be dissolved. Let it all need to be solved be solved. And you are nothing. And nothing to do, nothing to achieve, nothing to be done. All that need to be done is done. All that need to be achieved is achieved. All that you need to be, you become. That is fullness of moon. Like the sun radiates its light and the moon glows. The superconsciousness, the supreme, throws his light in your consciousness, and you are the moon reflecting the radiance of that source. Moon only reminds of the source of light. The awareness inside you reminds you the source that you are, the light of that source. Speak to yourself, I am the light of that source inside. I am the bliss of that bliss inside me. I am the love of that love inside. And from this pure consciousness, whichever way you can see the Kailash, that signifies the Shiva. Who gave the secret, the Atmananda, is real Ananda, is Satchitananda, is your Astitva. Thanks, Shiva, who revealed the secrets. And the lineage of Gurus started. And the true Guru inside is the Sat Guru inside. And that Adi Guru inside began to chant with me. Ad Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Ad Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Guru Deve Name. Adi Gure Name, Jugad Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Adi Gure Name. Jugad Gure Name. Sat Gure Name. Sri Gurudeve Name. Adi Gure Name. Jugad Gure Name. Sat Gure Name. Sri Gurudeve Name. Adi Gure Name. Jugad Gure Name. Sat Gure Name. Sri Gurudeve Name. Adi Gure Name. Jugad Gure Name. Sat Gure Name. Sri Gurudeve Name. Adi Gure Name. Jugad Gure Name. Sat Gure Name. Sri Gurudeve Name. Now focus inside and become aware of this ever-living Master, this Satguru present inside you, governing every system, every function perfectly, keeping temperature of your body perfectly, the speed of your blood flowing, bringing well-beingness. Get in touch with this Guru inside, guiding you every single moment to live this life till the last breath, and thereafter beyond, connecting you to someone who's Ad Sach, Jugad Sach, Hai Bhi Sach, and the great Guru who connected the Guru inside, the Nanak, Hai Bhi Sach. So begin to speak. Adi Sach,
Adi Sach,
Jugad Sach,
Jugad Sach,
Hai Bhi Sach,
Hai Bhi Sach,
Nanak Hosi Bhi Sach.
Nanak Hosi Bhi Sach.
Empty the breath. Keep your hand for a while, just covering your eyes, and then open eyes inside. And then open with a smile. Smile and open your eyes.